Ooh, what's this? Evidence. Looks like there's blood on this picture itself. It's kind of spooky. Welcome back. Alright, well, going stuff from that unit still, going through stuff. I was showing you the little golden books, but then someone came and had the phone call and all that jazz. These are some Pocahontas cuffs, nothing too great. Some cheap jewelry. This dragon, he's pretty cool. He's complete. Got the Pac-Man glass. Remember, we've seen that before. Check out this dude. It's the Wizard Goblet. Pretty nice. This in here. Banana slicer. Huh. I have to bring that home for my son. He likes his banana sliced up. So it's all household, looks like. Hand blender. But you're going to get that in stores. Like, look at this, old cookie cutters. Somebody might buy those, but other than that, not too much to write home about. Oh, no way. Check it out. We got the Grimace. We got the whole McDonald's set is the question. That's McDonald's glass. But we want the whole set. Hamburger, Gremlin, Ronald. Let's see what we got here. Whoa, sorry. Dropping you. These are the Flintstones mugs. There's not a McDonald's glass, but it's not the one we want. There's a little glass dog. Have a set of McDonald's glass at least. We got some. Oh, I think I see the happiest clown around. We got Ronald. Oh, there's a chip in the top. Well, we'll see who else we got. Ronald's probably one of the most common ones anyways. Saturday Evening Post glass. Collectible glass. We'll sell it in a big lot. We don't love selling glass, but we can sell it. An Aquarius. The sign of the water bearer. Well, if someone's an Aquarius, they want to buy it. The age of Aquarius. Oh, Muppets. More collector glasses. Now the question is, are we going to get any sets here? We're just going to get a few of this, a few of that. Oh man. Well, here's a different set. Empire Strikes Back. Collector glass, check it out. Very cool. The thing about buying antique and collectible lockers is that, well, there's a Flintstone glass that I think's broke. You usually get some cool stuff. Relive your childhood. So I remember when I was a kid getting these. Having those, more Empire. Now we got two Empires. We got a bunch of twos. Can we get some threes? Oh, check it out. Pruitt. Man, we got some vintage glasses. That's a good collection right there. Oh, and I am a Scorpio. The Scorpio mug. They have a collection of the mugs too, or no? Oh. Another Empire glass. I think there's 4 in the set. One more. Come on, let's get some collections. Ooh! Look at that, Brian Sight. Cardiac Kids here. Oh, sorry, people. We got Pruitt, Brian Sight. Man, these boxes keep going. There's more glasses down here. That's good. Maybe we can see some sets here. Let's see what this one is. All right, Empire. The Force is with me today, young Jedis. The Force is strong with me. Alright, yeah, Saturday Evening Post. Looks like the same glass, though. Come on. What do we got here? Ooh, another Browns one. Lyle Alzada. Boom, boom, boom. We got 3 of those, 4 Empires. 2 of those, and 1 of those, and what else we got in here? That's it for that box. So hopefully we can find some more. Alright, oh yeah, this is that wetsuit. It's gotta be a few bucks. I actually could use a wetsuit one of these days. It'd be nice to try some Cleveland surfing. There's a size in here, men's. Just says men's. Well, I'm a pretty big guy, so we'll have to see. Put that over there. These are water-resistant trunks here. Let's see. Extra larger men, XXX women. Oh yeah, now I remember this one. This is a pretty cool box. We'll see what's all in here. Remember this, the trench knife? Check that bad boy out. That is cool, cool, cool. And the cleaver. Leave it to cleaver. Okay, bad pun, bad pun. Oh yeah, this looks like all Barbie camping stuff. I say it's Barbie for sure. Some little clown penguins. Those 2 McDonald's glasses over there. Oh yeah, I remember this. We didn't get to go chance through it all. This had alrighty. So it looks like a mark. Feels real. Trying to see, 1923. That's cool, some old money. 1922. Another mark. Republic of Texas. I've come across these bills plenty of times. Look at the condition of this thing. See how crispy and nice it looks? For what year is this supposed to be? Doesn't even have it on here. I would say this is going to be a reproduction. But these marks, I would say these are probably real. I mean, they feel real, they look real. I mean, you've been in this business long enough. If it looks right, smells right, tastes right, it's right. Now this to me, it looks like a reproduction. Another Confederate money. It's just too nice a shape right here. See? Look at copy. See? I know what I'm doing. See, on this one here, they tore off the copy. This one says $5 state dues. This one actually feels better than the other ones. There's definitely a copy, as you can tell right there. And someone taped on it. Ooh, what's this? Evidence. Looks like there's blood on this picture itself. It's kind of spooky. I don't know if you're seeing this, but this is like a crime scene investigation right now. We got an evidence photo. Let's see what it says on the back. Clot of hair with dried blood and bedded fingernail taken during walkthrough of a crime scene, 1973, FBI. Woo! Alright, well, if you got young viewers, turn away now. And don't forget to subscribe, because you don't know what you're going to find. So I'll give everyone a second, because if there's one, we might get some more. It looks like more crime scene photos here, so I don't know. There might be something gruesome, something disgusting. But that looks like a mallet. Evidence, let's see, wooden mallet, meat tenderizer. Sounds of heavy use. Strands of human hair found on it. Oh my god, dude. Oh my gosh. Whew. Oh man, look at that. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, but you never know what you're going to find in a storage locker. This just goes to show you. Human skeleton, severed rib cage, part of a spine, dirty mud cake, dried blood. Hewitt property, outside suspect's house. Wow. Carefully with gloves is how it was obtained. And oh my gosh, this is the last one. I don't even know if I want to show you this one. I just saw, look at that. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. That is human remains that appear to be nailed. And let's see what it says on the back. I don't even know what a... Severed human fingers inside a box. Nail looks like a collection. Rotted smell. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that. That's an evidence photo right there. That is just disgusting that someone could do that to another human being. But in our business, who knows, this guy did have Navy stuff. He might have been a police officer, FBI agent. Looks like some more fake money down here. This looks like some real money. Yep, 1998. Looks like some more real money. Netherlands. Another little note, 10 franc note. And here's all those coins. There's a little Nixon pen you've seen before. Look at that old coin right there. Can you see it? Looks like it says 1819. Someone made it into a little necklace. Some other coins, foreign coins. Looks like a Russian coin, French coins, all kind of coins. Kind of cool little box. Man, freaky though. I mean, these guys are gonna get back. They're gonna be like, "What?" I mean, crime scene photos, crazy, crazy.